We are breaking a geode.
You want these glands?
Well, that might not work.
Why don't you put it right in the corner right there and maybe that'll
Put it in
break
the corner. It will break it.
Will it?
Just bang it with the sledgehammer.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Down on the sidewalk?
Just do it in the middle of the.
Man, you know how expensive concrete is.
No. I'm gonna stand back
Everybody watch
and
out.
zoom in.
Oh, quit doing that. It's a rock. Oh, hey.
Okay. No.
Don't hit that because you're going to lift the rock out. Jump back from it.
Get back.
Yeah, it's not been laying around 1,000 years for nothing. 1,000.
It broke.
Oh, it's crystallized. Yeah, a little bit. That's a nice one. Can you cut it like? Can you like?
Yeah, you can break it more.
Can you like do?
This one's cracked already. This one has a crack down the middle, so you
I
could
want
just.
to put one in. Oh, I want to put one by the fireplace or something. That one looks like it can go into. I like that one. Yeah, crack that one open.
What? That?
Isn't it cracked open enough? You're gonna bring it if you do. Oh, you think? Yeah. Yeah, I think.
Can we crack this one enough?
That's crystallized. Oh God, that's heavy. Look at that. Yeah. What? You think that one's good enough? I like this one. Do whatever you want. No, that's what I said. I think it's good enough. I agree with that. We can cut that one.
We'll try.
If you do that, the little one anymore might ruin it.
Yep.
Watch out. Don't hit the big rock. But if you do, you can't help it.
Right.
Yeah. Woo, that was a good hit. There's a weak spot somewhere and you just have to find it.
Yep, it's right on top of it.
You're holding it up too close to the head on the hand.
Well, he can't. It's a heavy. It's an 8.
I can hardly lift the
10-pound
rock.
sled. Watch out, bud. They can chip and fly anyplace. So.
There it goes. That bested on it.
Oh, this is so cool.
Yeah.
I got this one. Let me get this. Papa,
Yeah, those are yours.
Grandma, these are cool.
Take those home.
I wish I still had places where I kept them.
Like, can you make one for my mom?
Put it by the
What?
Can you
fireplace.
make one for my mom?
Yeah. Don't you
For
think?
her.
I
So
really like
for
that.
Christmas or something.
This is like the way it cracked open here, Georgia.
This one's really cool.
It has a crack one.
What?
This one's really, this spot
Oh,
right,
that
right
one's
here.
pretty.
This one's really pretty.
Oh, you got a pretty one too.
Yeah,
You wanna
this
take
side's
one home?
pretty.
Do you want to take one home? I mean, if you want to take
It's
one.
pretty. These are pretty. Yeah. I think that one, and
What?
I think that one should go by the fireplace or
This
something,
one, you
as
want
like
this
a
one?
hole, like by the fireplace and there,
This one.
like as a hole.
And that one should go up in their room.
I like this.
Take that, put it by the fireplace
What's fireplace?
in the house.
There's, and there go the tiny pieces. Gone.
Huh?
Gone.
I think both pieces are pretty. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, they're both pretty.
Lovely.
I really do like. This one's got a little pink
Mhm.
color in
Yeah, I was showing this on
Is that
this
it.
one
Oh,
on
that's
camera.
pretty. This one
Yep.
is pretty.
I was showing that one on
Martha, you want
camera. It
another
looked really
piece?
good.
I don't have any place to put it. Aiden, did you want one
What's
of them?
Tyler
Sure.
doing with the
Huh?
piece?
So, yeah.
He's playing probably on the phone.
He's got my safety glasses and he's got your.
I think you should quit while you're ahead or it hits somebody.
Oh, we're still breaking? Okay. We broke. Quick intermission. Sorry for the black screen, but it's needed. Aunt Deb, where are ya?
In the kitchen.
Okay.
Did you get some? Did you get it on there?
Yeah, we're currently in a video.
Oh, hi, I'm washing my hands. COVID-19. Sing the song Row, Row, Row Your Boat 2 or 3 times while you're washing your hands. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. I just got home from my new job.
Yep, stay safe, COVID-19.
Yeah.
Stay safe.
Clean hands. See what's in the fridge.
Okay,
Ah, that's what I was hoping for.
adios.
Adios.
Thanks for watching the quick intermission.
Be careful, buddy. Them rocks will come off. We'll pull them right off. All of them. They're not. You can't pull on them because you'll pull them off the wall. Top of the wall.
How did you get up there?
Around.
I climbed them. They're pretty sturdy.
Hey,
Yep.
I want this on tape.
Mm-hmm.
This
It is on tape.
Jackie's rock that Aiden is going to paint a beautiful picture on
Yep.
with his name and date on the back.
Yep.
Okay, put it in your pocket.
Okay.
Thank you. That's a good one, isn't it?
It is a good one.
This one's a little one. These look like they've been washed
Made a
off
face
since
on
the
it.
last time we looked in here.
Put it in my
I see
pocket.
a bigger one like that one.
Okay. I think we're about to wrap up the video. Let's go see Deborah Tartar herself, like we did earlier. I call her out. Aunt Deb, you upstairs now?
Upstairs.
Okay.
Ready, sit down. Now I'm having my dinner. This little teeny bit of egg salad.
I just wanted you to say bye.
Bye.
Stay healthy, stay safe, and enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you. You too.
Bye.
Bye.